Hello everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to another Trainspotting video. We are on the Westview Lane for Overbridge in Totley, in Sheffield, on the Hope Valley line. So today you're going to be seeing services by Trainspotting Express on the Cleethorpes to Manchester Piccadilly and Airport service, Northern with the Sheffield to Manchester Piccadilly local service, and the East Midlands Railway regional services with the service between Liverpool Lime Street and Nottingham and Norwich. Trainspotting Express is going to come through towards Manchester Piccadilly in a couple of minutes, and then another one as well after that. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. I hope you all enjoy. Coming through now is the Trainspotting Express service to Manchester Piccadilly. Leading the way is 185. (127). Coming through now is 195001 with a northern service from Sheffield to Manchester Piccadilly. Coming through now is an East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, 158864. I am going to end the video here, as I'm going to move over to Dora Totley station now. That is the next video station for the next video. So see you in a few minutes, and thank you for watching.